Hi, this is Shushil. In the last video, I taught you about bar graph. In today's video, I'll be teaching you about pie chart. So let us see our data. Now, if you have two data like this, then only my pie chart will work for me. Now, this is my data. So, how do you prepare a pie chart? So, these are the steps. Just click inside, press Ctrl A. So, when you press Ctrl A, the entire data gets selected. Now, click on Insert. Click on this icon called as pie chart. This button is called as dialog box. Click and then all charts. So there are different types of graphs here. So we want here now pie chart. So I'll click on pie, and I will not go for this first one. We will go for the second one. It's called as your 3D pie. Click. This is the style. So all these are different styles over here. Formatting is given. So I'll go for this one, second one, 3D pie, and I'll say OK. So when you say OK, you get a screen like this. I'll just place it in the middle somewhere, and I would like to give a background color. So I'll click on my graph, on the border of the graph, click on chart design and come here. This is your black background, so I'll go for my black background. Would like to make the size little bigger. This names, click, that is your legend, home option, make the size little bigger. Yeah. Then click inside your graph and come here on this plus sign, or you can even click on the border of the graph, click on this plus sign, that is chart elements and data labels. So that should give the values. I want the values to be little bigger. Click on the values, click on your home tab and size, how much you want. Yeah. Color also you can give, font color. So whichever color you want, that color can be given. Bold, you want bold letters, so you can make it bold. Once done, you can just click outside. Okay. After that, you can click on your graph, that is inside the middle. Like see, now I want this most sale was done over here actually 750. So I would like to get this little outside. So for that you can just double click on this green color. So when you double click on this green color, double click, so this green portion is highlighted. Now you can just use your mouse, click and drag it outside like this, so that you know that 750 is come out, and then again you can drag it inside like this if you want to make it inside again. Or what you can do is just click inside in the graph, and then you can right click and come over here, format data series. There's an option called as angle. So if I click on this, it's 0 at the moment. If I drag it like this, it will this side, you can see the angle is changed. So I'll again back to normal again, 0. And pie explosion. Now this is used in case you want, if I drag it somewhere like this, 186%, everything will get part like this, see. A little more less you make it, so more or less like this, see. So instead of you separately dragging it, you can use this option also. Okay, back to normal, you can make it back to 0 only. Then if I click on my graph, you can change the color also. This green color is there, no? You can change that. For that you just have to double click on that green portion, or whichever you want to give color. Click on your format option and shape fill. Take the color, I just want a little darker green color here like this. So similar thing, if you want this to be changed, right, double click on that portion, format, shape fill, take some other color. I'm just giving some other color here, so like that you can change the color also. After that you can click on your graph, right click. So I'm just clicking outside. Let's close this also. Just click on your graph, right click, format data series. So when you click on format data series, there's an icon over here called as FX. When you click on FX, there's an option called as shadow here, which says so preset is there. So all different options are here. So you can take any one. I'll go for this one. Click. Then color, I'm just giving little, so you can see little down color is come here like this. Okay, so that you can change the color like that also if you want. Okay, Then one more option I want to show in this is this. If I click on the values, right click, format data labels. One option is there. Over here we have category name. So if I tick mark on category name, you can get the category name also. See. And if you don't want it, you can just remove the tick mark from here. Or instead of this values, I can also take it as a percentage. If I click on percentage, you get the percentage. If you want category name also, then see. So all these things we can use in this pie chart. In other graph, you will not get this option like this. The same thing if I try it over here in this type of graph. As I told you that pie chart we require two data like this. So this is the how it comes actually for pie chart. And if you try it over here, I'll just delete this graph because see I have got 4 information here. Control A if I press, select the data, insert, charts, and all charts, and pie chart. I'm going for the same one, 3D pie. Okay, so you get a graph like this, yeah, pie chart, but it is just showing me only software over here. I'll just change the background. All those things you can do, whatever I have showed you in that video. All those formatting part we can do it, but it's only showing me only software over here. I can make the size little bigger. All those things we can do, the formatting, everything can be done here. But it is showing only software, whereas I've got hardware, floppy, and mouse. Now, if you're using Office, that is Office 2019, like I'm using Excel 2019, and if you could click on File and click on Account, you come to know which Excel I'm using. That is, I'm using 2019. Now, if you're using the older version, that is 2010, then you don't have this icon. Even though you have let's see, I've got 4 options here. Still, I can still use pie chart here. But only thing is, I have to click over here. Now it's showing you software. If I click on hardware, one at a time, apply. So now it will show me about hardware. If I click on floppy, if I say apply, this is only possible if you are using above 2010 version, 2013 and above. If you're using the older version, that is 2010, then you cannot use this option of your pie chart cannot be used in 2010. So if you find this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.